Hi, this is John with WTI, and I personally, and when I say personally, hold the reputation of always having my car smelling as nice as possible. And whenever somebody gets in my car, I really take it personal when it says, your car smells nice. And this is one of the options of why I have this. This is the AREON car freshener scent. It just works wonders. And I'm gonna tell you why. Over my investigations and research, I found out that oils is what holds and keeps your car smelling the best for a longer time. And when you add wood, it just stays in the area smelling nice and clean. Especially this one. This is a vanilla scent. So vanilla is more like a soothing scent that is gonna keep you feeling like it's a warm place, like it's welcoming. And when somebody goes into my car, they just really like how it smells. The fact that this is you hook it there whenever you want next to your vent, and it's gonna be taking out all this nice smell that is gonna go all over your car and smell nice for a long lasting period. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.